Cryptocurrencies and Dogecoin have fallen a good bit because of this news that has come out with the Russian group of hackers demanding $70 million in Bitcoin. Despite this news, there's actually some really good stuff happening behind the scenes that I must tell you about in this video. So make sure you listen to the whole video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. So we have this piece of news. Ransomware group WEBULL strikes again, demanding $70 million in Bitcoin from the US firms. We had the President Joe Biden come out talking to Vladimir Putin, telling him to stop supporting and helping these hackers and these groups of hackers and protecting them. So because of this news, we have seen cryptos fallen a decent bit. And if we go on to CoinMarketCap, we see Bitcoin went about 4.5% down. Cryptos fell a bit more, but they have recovered to a degree. We're seeing Bitcoin at 33.7. We're seeing Ethereum at 2,200. We're seeing Cardano at $1.40. Dogecoin now has fallen a little bit more, now at 23 cents. So getting back to that report, we see 1 million machines are said to be infected, according to various other reports. And they said that they launched an attack on Friday, infecting a lot of these businesses and machines. And they have encrypted their machines, and they're now asking for money back to de-encrypt these machines for them. So this has been a problem, especially with this group. They are known to be doing this. But this has been happening to a lot of businesses where hackers, they go in there and they're getting and infecting businesses and their machines and computers, and they decrypt their files so that they won't, the people that have the computers are not able to get into their files. They're very important tax documents, and they know that these documents and these files are very important. So what they do is they decrypt it and make it impossible to do that, but they have a key. They have the power to give them the key to basically undo all of what they have done. So they want money for this. So we're seeing this all around the world, and they're asking for Bitcoin. So this piece of news has brought the crypto market down about 5%. We've seen most cryptos fall down about 5%. We had a pretty good run the last couple of days, seeing just very consistent green. It was good to see. But yet again, we still have low volume in the crypto market. There's not a lot of stuff going on in the crypto market. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Myles, and I make videos every day about Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. I cover all the latest and greatest cryptocurrency news, and I teach you all how to make money through technical analysis, which is a very important tool to have. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss my time-sensitive videos that I post every day. I'm also giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, put in the comments hashtag Doge giveaway, and follow my Instagram and Twitter. And let's go ahead and smash up the like button for Dogecoin, for the love of cryptocurrencies. And let me know in the comments below, when do you think cryptocurrencies are going to start taking off again? Because it is looking bearish. It is kind of slow, not really much going on. But when do you think cryptos are going to start taking off? Me personally, I'm thinking, you know, it could be any day now, especially maybe in the middle of the month, maybe towards the end of the month. That's kind of when I'm thinking. I was hoping it for to be in the beginning of the month, but it's not appearing that as of right now. Now, despite the crypto market going down, behind the scenes, there are some really big things that are happening for the crypto market, for Bitcoin, for Dogecoin, and especially Bitcoin. Check this out. So this news article says that the weekend price bounce fades even as exchange balances drop. So we've spoken about this before on this channel. When the balance of Bitcoin on the exchanges is being removed, not only Bitcoin, but we're seeing with the altcoins, especially Ethereum, when the balance of cryptocurrencies on the exchanges are being removed, they are being removed and put into cold storage. They're being put into external wallets, because the people that are doing that, they're believing in them long term. They're holding into them long term. So people that take their cryptocurrencies from Coinbase, from Kraken, whatever site they're using, whatever exchange they're using, and they put it into a cold wallet, that means that they want to hold on to it for a very long time. Generally, what happens when cryptocurrencies are removed on exchanges, that when the balance is removed off the exchanges, it shows a very bullish sentiment, and what generally ensues is a strong bull run, a big push to the upside, a big pump. And if we go ahead and take a look at this chart, the balance of Bitcoin on the exchanges, we're not only seeing a drastic drop in Bitcoin, like I said, but also in Ethereum and a bunch of these altcoins. So we're actually seeing the lowest number since May 16th. This is very, very important to see. So whenever the balance of Bitcoin on the exchanges begins to drop, you will see also at the same time the price correlating to the opposite degree, actually starting to go up. So behind the scenes, this is the data that analysts, that banks, that institutions use. This is how they're able to make predictions for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. And since this bounce is starting to be removed and get lower and lower and lower, it would not surprise me if we start to see a big pump in the crypto market here very shortly. Now, if you want to get my private profitable daily trade alerts for cryptocurrencies, when to buy and sell, I also give out private information and updated news on my Patreon. You can join the 4,000 member Discord. You can talk to me on the phone, ask me questions all day long. And I also teach technical analysis. Join the Patreon, which is in my top pinned comment or in my video's description. So check this out. We have Ukrainian e-bank plans to offer Bitcoin trading in July. This is awesome. More billions of dollars yet to be poured into cryptocurrency. So Monobank is seeking approval from the National Bank of Ukraine to launch its Bitcoin debit card later this month. This is awesome. So we just saw Germany. They want to put in $500 billion into cryptocurrencies. We're seeing these countries just come out almost every single week talking about they're opening up crypto. They're opening up, allowing people to buy cryptos through the banks, through exchanges. And we're even seeing the Philippines. Look at this. The Philippine Stock Exchange wants to launch a local crypto market first. So they're also trying to create laws and establish so that people can buy cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and we're seeing this roll out every single week. So I think in 3 to 6 months from now, this is going to have a profound effect on the crypto market. There's so much more money getting into cryptocurrencies that weren't in previously. When we saw Bitcoin go to 65,000, when we saw Dogecoin go to 74 cents, we saw Ethereum hit over $4,000. These cryptocurrencies were pumping. They were doing good. They had a lot of money flowing into them. The cryptocurrency market cap was over $2 trillion. But now all of these countries are going to be into it. Wait till the bull run starts again. It could happen any second, it can happen any day. Realistically, it can happen in the next 30 to 90 days. But when it takes off again, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, just my own opinion. When it does take off again, there's going to be a lot more people, a lot more money. Now it's going to be able to flow into cryptocurrencies, especially in the United States alone. And when that happens, there's going to be more FOMO. There's going to be more money. So the bull runs, the pumps are going to be much bigger and higher. So getting in cryptocurrencies at these cheap prices right now, we are surely going to be able to reap the benefits greater than other people who are buying at the top, who are FOMOing in later. Buying and getting in early is going to be the best thing you could possibly do. Most importantly, let's go ahead and dive into some technical analysis. Let's see what's going on with cryptos. So Bitcoin did, from this news and last night, break out of this strong level of support. We broke out of this pattern. We came all the way down to about 33.3. We did bounce off a previous level of support, which is definitely good to see. It is starting to head down after the bounce, but I'm hoping, and most likely, we should be able to bounce continually off this level of support. But if we end up breaking down below this, most likely Bitcoin would head approximately to about 32,000 or so, and then maybe bounce from there. Taking a look at Cardano is breaking down just again. So last night, we did get a strong bounce off this level of resistance, about $1.42. We got a bounce, and then we ended up breaking down. Again, a lot of cryptos are breaking down from these strong levels of support from last night, and we got a very strong bounce off this $1.39 level. Approximately the low was $1.37. So hopefully we can also, just like Bitcoin, bounce off this level of support. And Ethereum broke down off this bounce last night, just like Cardano. Most all the cryptos are kind of ensuing and following the same exact pattern, but I'm hoping that Ethereum will have a strong bounce off this strong level, which will be about 2,200. Some really good news is that the Bitcoin dominance is continuing to lower and lower and lower, and this is really good. This is really good for Dogecoin and the altcoins. Whenever Bitcoin dominance begins to wane and to drop down, as we are seeing a very strong downtrend here, that's very good for altcoins. It allows them to pump and receive the greater market share of cryptos. Partially, I think this is due because of Ethereum, the big updates that are coming to Ethereum, and a lot of money is focusing on Ethereum over Bitcoin and every other cryptocurrency right now. Most importantly, let's take a look at the Dogecoin price. So Dogecoin was forming in a descending triangle pattern, which was appearing bearish. We ended up breaking out of it because we did have that news. So most likely, just like Cardano and Ethereum, most likely we will bounce off this second level of support, and it would definitely be very important for Dogecoin to remain bullish, especially in the immediate short term, for Dogecoin to bounce up and to get into this strong level of 24 cents as a level of support, which I think is highly, highly possible. So as of right now for cryptos, in the immediate short term, it is looking bearish. But I would be expecting after significant drops, we do also see that a lot. After significant drops, there are bounces that bring us back into a bullish momentum. But things are slow. The volume is slow. Towards the end of the month, that's when I think things are going to start heating up, because we have these big updates coming for Ethereum, which is going to help out the altcoins a lot. I also spoke to one of the Dogecoin developers yesterday, so I will be making a video talking about my conversation with him tonight. And if you want to get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, it's a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and stocks with. Use my WEBULL link, which is in my video description below. Deposit $100. They will send you the 2 free stocks. You can immediately sell those and buy cryptocurrencies, or just send them to your bank account. And if you want to be able to day trade and trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, use my iTrustCapital link, which is also my top pinned comment or in my video's description. So that's going to be it for the video. I will be making a video tonight, keeping you guys updated and talking about that awesome news about the Dogecoin developers, Elon Musk, and much more. And if you guys got something out of the video, go ahead and hit the like button, blow up the comment section, share this video with some of your friends and family, and I will see you tonight.